Jed here to demonstrate how to permanently delete a user in GoTo Admin. This action will delete the user's profile, extensions, and access from your system. If the user is assigned to a device, it will remain on your system and can be reassigned to another user. Remember that you're billed by license if you use GoTo Admin for your admin portal. You must be an admin or super admin to permanently remove a user in GoTo Admin. GoTo Admin can be accessed at this site. I've already signed in as the super admin Lance Bingham. Take note of the left navigation menu. You may see different icons here depending on what options are available with your GoTo plan. Let's begin by updating the number, extension, and device associated with the user you will delete. Click the phone system icon. You may have to click the More icon to see that. Select Direct Extensions. Here are your current extensions. Search for and select the desired extension. You can search for the extension number or name. Take note of the Associated Resources section. This is where you can see if the user's extension is being used in ring groups, dial plans, contact center queues, assigned devices, or phone numbers. Since we will permanently remove this user, we need to remove their extension from the resources you see here. A clickable link is available to fix this if you see anything listed in the Associated Resources section. Now, depending on which resource you click, you must take different steps to remove this user. If you clicked on a group, for example, you would need to click on something like the Members tab to remove them. If you clicked on a dial plan, for example, you would need to find where it is linked to a node on the visual dial plan and update that respective node accordingly. In my case, this user is connected to a device. To determine the next steps, you must evaluate if customers are still using that extension. Click the More icon, represented by 3 dots. To delete this extension number, click Delete. If you choose that option, please note that if someone dials that extension, it will not be forwarded anywhere, which may cause confusion for your caller. Instead of clicking a link in the Associated Resources section, I'll click the Find Me, Follow Me tab. Instead of deleting the extension, I can set up a call forwarding rule from here. The first drop-down list determines if you want the forwarding destination to be an internal extension or an external number. Now, from the second drop-down list, select the desired forwarding destination. You'll probably want to choose someone in the same department as the employee you will delete. You can then set up the other ring steps however you like. For the No Answer option, if you select voicemail, the call will be directed to the new extension you chose a moment ago. Click the Save button if you've made any changes. Click the Overview tab. Let's look at the Associated Resources section. The device is still listed there, but we just set up a call forwarding rule. Some of the other types of associated resources include call filter, dial plan, direct extension, directory, ring group, and user. As long as no other resources will need your attention, you can move on to the next step, deleting the user from your account. Click the People icon. If you are not there already, ensure the Users section has been clicked. Search for the desired user, but do not click on that entry. Hover over their name. Click on the More icon, which may appear between icons in the Capabilities column. At the bottom of this list, select Delete. This window lets us know that this action cannot be undone. If this person needs to be added to your system again, you can add them as a new user. Also, unassigned devices and licenses are removed from the user's profile once deleted. If this user has any upcoming meetings, you can reassign them to someone else by clicking this drop-down list. You will not see this message if the user does not have any scheduled meetings. Select the desired user and click the Assign button. Click the Delete button to proceed. The user has been removed from your account. However, remember that their extension still exists, and we set up a call forwarding rule for that. Please view our online resources if you would like to learn about deleting extensions from GoTo Admin. That's all there is to permanently delete a user in GoTo Admin. Thank you for watching the video. I've included links to additional videos about GoTo's products and features. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.